This page may contain affiliate links. Any commissions earned will help my website to remain free forever. Full disclosure. Today's low-carb lesson: what is insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia? We are incredibly lucky to have Dr. Catherine Crofts join us to explain these terms and why they are so important to understand to avoid future metabolic diseases. What is insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia? What is metabolic syndrome? What causes inflammation? Are you at risk? Click to treat low-carb lesson: what is insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia? We discuss: what is insulin resistance? Hyperinsulinemia, why should we try to avoid it? What is metabolic syndrome? How does insulin affect signaling in the brain, and why this could be a breakthrough in neurodegenerative states? What is insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia? When you eat/drink any digestible carbohydrate, it is turned into glucose in our body. Top video this month: normal cell. The body requires insulin to help facilitate the movement of glucose from the blood by attaching to the insulin receptors as shown above. Insulin-resistant cell. If you live on a high-carb diet, chances are you will have chronic high blood sugars. These chronic high blood sugars require chronic high levels of insulin, whether it is made by our body if injected, and so these insulin receptors become resistant to the effect of the high levels of circulating insulin. Hyperinsulinemia. If you are insulin resistant, the glucose remains high, because the insulin is not having its desired effect to transport glucose from the blood into the cells. The body begins to produce more insulin. Hyperinsulinemia is the elevated levels of insulin. The many roles of insulin. Research is discovering the numerous roles insulin plays in our body, including rapid transport of glucose into cells, lowering of raised blood glucose, prevents fat burning, promotes fat storage, increases hunger, negative feedback with glucagon, glucose gone, and so prevents the body from converting glycogen into glucose, NB. It now appears that processed food interferes with this signaling pathway and negative feedback, so blood sugars can be raised by processed food and be raised by gluconeogenesis. Nerve communication. Anabolic hormone. Affects protein synthesis. Affects hormone synthesis. Why is it so bad to be a sugar burner? Because burning sugar is a dirty fuel and causes oxidative stress, free radicals and inflammation throughout the body. What are the complications of hyperinsulinemia? Hyperinsulinemia is one of the most important discoveries in modern times.